Grabe, mukhang may pasabog na naman sa PVL Reinforced Conference. Signal HD spikers? Baka raw may import na mapapalitan? Aba, wait lang. Totoo nga ba to? Kasi kung totoo man, this could change the game para sa super spikers ngayong conference. Kaya tutok lang, kasi babalikan natin lahat ng anggulo. Pati kung posible ba talaga ang mid-season replacement sa PVL. Let's go! So ayon sa mga kumakalat na balita, signal import Eva Chantava, isang Greek outside hitter, might be playing her last game para sa HD Spikers laban sa PLDT. Rumor has it, disappointed daw ang management sa overall performance niya, lalo na't Signal remains winless after 2 games. Una, natalo sila sa Chocomucho Flying Titans in 4 sets at 3 sets naman sa Farm Fresh. At para sa isang reinforced conference, medyo mabigat yan. Kasi dapat nga yung import ang nagbibigay ng firepower at consistency. Pero this time, mukhang hindi yun naramdaman ng team at ng fans. Ngayon, tanong ng marami, possible ba talaga mapalitan ng import sa gitna ng season? Ang sagot? Yes, possible. Pero depende sa rules ng league at sa timing ng registration window. Usually, may tinatawag na mid-season window or replacement period kung saan pwedeng magpalit ng import basta may valid reason. Like, 1. Performance issues kapag hindi na-meet yung expectations. 2. Chemistry problems kapag hindi makasabay sa sistema o playstyle ng team. 3. Injury kapag may injury na matagal ang recovery time. So kung underperforming talaga, pwede talagang palitan. Pero risky move yan. Kasi syempre bagong system, bagong adjustment na naman. Kung titignan natin ang sitwasyon ng Signal ngayon, medyo desperado silang makakuha ng momentum. Back-to-back losses, medyo malamig ang team chemistry. At kung yung import pa mismo ang hindi makahatak ng energy, mahirap talaga. Management sometimes decide na maghanap ng spark, isang import na mas fit sa team. Pero syempre, hindi lang basta palit-palit. Kailangan may timing at diskarte. Hindi ito first time na nangyayari sa volleyball scene, ha? Naalala niyo ba si Erica Stanton, yung Creamline champion import? Before siya pumunta dito sa PVL, naglaro rin siya sa Indonesia. At doon, naka-experience din siyang mapalitan in the middle of the season. So kahit top import ka, possible pa rin ma-replace kapag hindi swak ang performance o chemistry sa team. Pati si Samolenko na naging import din ng PLDT dati, may ganitong history rin. Reports say na sa Indonesia rin naka-experience siyang mapalitan mid-season. So hindi bago ito sa volleyball world. It happens even to great players. Kung sakaling totoo nga itong rumor at palitan nga si Chantava, maraming pwedeng mangyari. Pros, baka mabigyan ng fresh energy ang team, lalo na kung swak agad ang bagong import sa sistema. Cons, maaaring mas lalo pang bumagal ang chemistry kasi kailangan na naman mag-adjust ang lahat. At tandaan, team sports to, hindi lang puro individual skills. Pero eto ha, interesting comparison. Si Zoe Faki ng Chocomucho, kapwa Greek player din tulad ni Chantava. Aminin na natin, may mga laro si Zoe na hirap siyang makakonect sa team. Marami ring fans ang nagsabing mahina siya, hindi pa sanay, hirap mag-connect sa setters. Ang ginawa ng Chocomucho management, hindi nila pinalitan. Instead, binigyan sila siya ng time to adjust. At kahit bangkuman siya parate, even sa last game nila that time, hindi pinalitan si Zoe Faki. Pero maybe there's a reason naman siguro. Sa ngayon, lahat ito ay rumors pa lang. Walang official statement from Signal Management or from Chantava herself. Pero may mga post na siya from IG at TikTok na mga motivational videos about failing. Pero kung totoo man na may evaluation ng nangyayari, sana maging maayos ang decision-making. Kasi at the end of the day, it's all about what's best for the team. Kaya mga ka-joust, kayo, sa tingin nyo, dapat bang palitan si Eva Chantava o bigyan pa siya ng chance? I-comment nyo sa baba. Gusto kong marinig ang thoughts nyo dyan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PVL Chika, updates, and real talk volleyball analysis. This is Joust Valley, always serving you the hottest volleyball news.
My friend, copy my face.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
Yo.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera, my friend.
1, 2, 3.
Cheese. Panito.
Ay!
Manifest. Uy, baka naman.
shucks. Wanna play? Oh! In the in-between to her.
Give me that card.
Yan, give the
Like
card.
this. And I no, not that. Where's the one? My friend help me. Wala ma. Ito, like this. It's very good. Why? And in between, many number 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Ay, ganda mga tropa pips. Nilibre ako ng breakfast ni my friend. My friend, thank you for the breakfast. Cheers for whatever. Love you, my friend. Sis, thank you sis. May maputing medyas na ako. Thank you. Maputi na ang medyas ko. Thanks, Bunny girl.
Saan? Patingin ako.
Akala ko yung bagong medyas na kuha ko kay Bunny.
Guys,
Inamoy
kulay
niya pa.
putik na. Patingin.
Hindi na nahiya na ako.
Bilis ako na. Mahiya
Pag
ako.
yung
Hala! Uy, ano ba yan?
Bagyo yarn?
Budeng yung medyas na nakasukin mo.
Bagyong buding.
Budeng!
Swerte daw yan, te. Champion eh. Swerte daw na medyas.
Wow! Thank you, sis!
Thank you! Colorful! Merry Christmas! Thank you, sis! Brand new medyas Thank you!
Okay na ba daw?
Okay, guys! Chirika!
Tanya? Was Tanya there when you had Georgia?
No, she's
Okay.
not.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Oh, Tanya was at Georgia Tech, I think.
Ilong
Oh,
niya.
I think you're
University
right. I
at
think it was
Georgia.
Georgia Tech.
Okay,
It was
gotcha.
Georgia Tech. But yeah.
Kaya yung ilong ko.
You guys can't make me laugh.
Oh, go. Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself to them.
Yeah, thank you.
Introduce yourself.
안녕하세요.
Anya, Anya.
안녕 lupa. My name is Judith Abby. Yeah, thank you. That's us.
Kilalanin mo naman sila.
Sampal ako.
Hindi gumanong.
No.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
Tanya was at Georgia Tech, I think.
Oh, I think you're right. I think it was Georgia Tech. It was.
Yun lang ang contribution, te.
Introduce yourself.
Abil, what's your contribution?
Yeah, thank you.
Introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 안녕 lupa. My name is Judith Abby. Yeah, thank you. That's us.
Kilalanin mo naman sila.
Baka masampal ako.
Hindi gumanon ka lang. Chick.
Kat, that's our queen, Queen Abil.
This is our queen. She's
Queen
our
Abil.
royalty. The other one.
The other one.